Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. SwiftUI social apps inside me to today create here the chat conversation screen need to develop here left and right bubbles need to develop and as well as need to text bottom text view we need to develop here today. First of all, we need to see these designs inside already today. We need to create inside the flutters. We need to see these designs. First of all, we need to go inside here the chat buttons and to select any users and to display look like this. Here the UI need to display chat screen like this. We need to create this UI inside the SwiftUI. First of all, we need to create here the new files inside the home folders. We need to create here new files and to give these names here the chat conversations view like this need to give this name here chat conversations view or shift UI shift we need to give this file name. Now this is the creating here the view and to first of all defines here the environment variable for the back buttons. Write down here the environments slash dots present modes to give here the mode and to columns set here the binding satellite here the presentations modes need to give this here the last name like this set here. Then after need to set here the state property here txt message select the like this set here. Now need to copy home screens data body you need to copy here see fold it set here the chat conversations to put this here and now need to remove this here no needs and to comment these codes. Now need to view your body and copy here. Now need to give this here the back buttons and set here and to give this here the and so the back view set this here. Also we need to needs here the user object create the object is equal to pass here the string any here value and now we need to go inside the chat view and to needs here one data for the parsing here for data here and now need to go inside the chat conversations and to preview inside it is here the value object this is set. Also we need to go inside the home and to need this here the commented copy this UI and to go inside our chat conversation view and to and see its value here object as need past string like this set here to remove here. Here the username set here name property good this here set like this. And now we need to set here the width as of set here the 40 and corner radius need to be here the 20. And now we need to see here notes here set this here set as a set here. Also need to clear the overlay to set here rounded rectangle. Give here the corner radius need to set the 20. Now need to set here stroke here with this here the white colors. And now need to here the line width need to set this here the 2. Also we need to set this here color display. And now this is the displaying goods, no any issue created this years. And now need to develop here the bottom bars need to develop. First need to create here edge stack horizontal stack need to develop this years. And first of all need to create here the buttons. Now need to copy this here the here and to name this here the info that here. One more things we need to copy this down to here. To be here the pale colors need to color white set here. Now this is the displaying goods here to remove this shadow. Now this display good. To set here the emoji icons need to set this here display. Now another buttons need to develop here and to set here define this here like buttons. So first need to set here the attachment buttons. Then after need to image picker. Create 30 corner on it. Now need to create here the text fields. Give this here the type or message dots, and to give this here the text message variable need to pass this here. Now need to set here the font, custom fonts. Give this as a medium, and after need to set here the 30. Now need to create here the padding. Horizontals need set as a things. After need to give this here the padding. Verticals need to give this here the height, and after need to create here the borders. Overlay need to give this here, and now around we need to copy here the overlay and to paste this here. Now need to set here the radius 25, and need to give this here width 1, to set here color black, and opacity you need to set as a 0.5, like this set here, and to remove this here the shadow. Also need to set here configurations, need to set as a padding. Need to give here the ends, then after need to padding at the bottom. Just need to set here the pen, the padding bottoms, set here bottom inside, set yours. Now need to give here the backgrounds colors. Need to copy here the bar this here, and to set here the minus -5. This here 3. This displaying here the this tab. Also need to give here the spacings. That here 8. Now this is the displaying goods, no any issue that here. And now need to create here the chat overlay. To give this here, first of all need to create here the bottom space between set the spacers, set as a bottom set plus default set here, and to create here the array of the chat conversations there, and need to here for chat message, equal to already prepare this all value to set this here. To remove this here repeating nodes, like this set here. First of all the set here the message times senders new text, like this property need to set this here. Also need to configure inside the chat view configures here the data click events. Now need to create here the navigation destinations chat conversations with the pass here the value wrong place. You need to see chat inside sets this here and we now to set here the to past here to all this here to go this here display. Maybe we need to go inside the chat conversations, and one more thing to forget is here the more dot wrap value dot dismiss. Need to call this years like this set, and now here right the button. So why not? Now need to create here the chat view bubbles. Need to develop here. First of all, we need to uncomment these codes, and also need here the padding as we need to pass here 15 pass here like this set here, and to as well as need to give this here the my chat that message array need here. Now we need to here or need set here the row between need to give this here the spacing set as a 15 select depth. And now we need to write down here the for each loops side. Need to first of all the needs here say object is equal to get here the chat message index of the value as need to pass string any. If you not get this false value, now another values into needs is the left cells like this identify is the senders say object property is render as tools need to use here that as a set here. Now need to set here one conditions object tool set set here the message bubble system else parts into here the date tag display like this set here. First of all, we need to create here the horizontal stack. We need to develop this here. Set. Create here the set stack. We need to copy here the need this and to put this here and to set here the 16. 30 here. 30 stroke. Here the shadow. Give this here. Set here. Now need to set here 15. By like this. Create here. Now we need to create here the vertical stack. The if was the here heading. Need to set this here on its spacing. Set years and first of all need to set here set object its value and to set here the font regular with this here the size 15. Set here color white. Set to slide. Now we need to give this here the time property. Set here the regulars. Set here this value here and also to here padding horizontal shears and to shear. And now need to create here the background colors. Primary app colors shears. Then after you need to set the corner radius. Set here. It's good. Also need to use here the padding 10. Now need to here the white colors of here. This here the opacity 8. Set here. And now this is the displaying goods. First need to set here the maximum width. Need to copy this here and to get also here like this. And to set here the frame need to its here So always set. So need to set here here the text width. I need to set here the 2/16 need to give this years, and also here the element also needs here that has a leading. Set here. Now one row inside the also need to give here copy here the empty cells. Set this here. Now here the display. Now need to define here difference with the sender and receiver. Need to set this flag. Need to use here the left and give this here the limits value one by one. So need to set this here. First of all, need to set here the this left value. And here the if left, set here the leading. Otherwise need to set here leading. Horizontal text to set as a heading. Set this like, and to go here the left side cells here. One more things we need to set here. Also need to give this here the directions. Need to use here the environment property. Environment here slash layout directions here, and to set here property. If left, set here the left to right. Otherwise we need to set here the right to left. Like this set here. Waiting for the actions and to play. No any issue. And need to set here so this there here's frame to set always here the left right this directions here set here. Also need to give this here the background conditions. If left means here the sender is me login users, otherwise yep that means need to other users to use the color as set the string for B, and select set here displaying goods this UI here these configurations. Also to set this here the text line left, here this value set here, headings need to set this here, heading set, see this here the set here. This is the displaying goods and need to use this here at space bottom, heading bottom need to do this here, here. Now this is the goods here point, and this UI are the display goods, and now need to create here the here this value set here. Now any reflections need to alignment no needs, not give this value, not working directions. This value full width, not displaying goods, that's why set this minimum. Maximum heights need to width need to give this here the 250 to 16, need to set this here display, set here the line need to displaying. Now need to create here the date labels, need to else parts, need to work on the else parts, need to create here the horizontal stacks here appears. Now need to create here the rectangles, so need to set here the colors, need to set city, set here RAM to give this here the width, the to give here height, zero point 0.5, copy this here like value, draw the line. Now need to create here the text, need to copy this time here and to put this here, set here the foreground colors text, at this set here. Also need to set here font size as a set here 13 to see here value, we need to pass as a message 13, and also need to set here the RAM, here here the height of 40, like this, displaying here this UI, and that here is good. And this UI are the created here, no any issue. And to convert this here the cells here, so to create here the common cells, to write down here the SwiftUI, and to the cell names, the chat text bubble. This you need to here's need to copy this chats conversations, copy and to paste this value, set the chat bubbles this year's that here where checked, pass this year the string, give this value. Also need to pass here the user object, pass as we need to pass here, select this value, and to needs here the left value, need to copy at the conversations here, inside the chat bubbles, and select this value is here the any. Now need to pass this both value. Suppose need to give this here the user value, to go conversations, and to copy this value, and now need to paste inside the chat bubbles here the chat object, the object need to copy inside our the chat data, copy here, and this here the chat bubbles value set here. Now here the displaying goods, no any issue, set here, copy these chat bubbles and to write down here the this chat conversations, to here, to here this this lab here current user data, otherwise need to pass here user data, set this years here, here here's this here the value. No need here last message, the profile image like this chat here the chats bubbles for the message here to this right? And also need to create here the image, need to create here the chat text bubbles, need to develop here date bubbles, need to develop here the polls, need to this value here. And to go inside the common UI commons, inside we to create here the new files and to write down here the file names chat date bubble need to create here to put this code here and to pass this here to set as a date here the string at this set here and to pass this value the here date. Copy this bubble and paste this here and to pass at this set here. And now I am waiting for the and to displaying here the UI. And now loadings here done and to display goods, no any issue. Need to copy this text here and to share the size. Select. Now need to duplicate message. We need to create here and paste and see here now look like this UI. Check here the cuttings or not and ops working and also no any issue. And this UI are the very cute tools. Now need to also need to check as a chats view and to click to go inside and to check here the data. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.